Gambling is about you stake your own money in order to win something big. Gaming is more about the whole reward environment and the loyalty environment around it. So when we go back to gambling, and when we go back to, let's say, what Quanta can offer, is we can offer something on both sides. But we're really focused on the gambling side. And we're really focused on those governments and those underserved that basically like to place a bet, but want to make sure that that bet indeed is being dealt with as advertised, as it should, as is expected. And especially in countries like Nigeria, there are a lot of scams. We don't want to be part of that. We don't want to have anything to do with it. We actually think that we can do a much better job being jobs.
We like to enforce more control over, let's say, what the blockchain can do to the gaming world. And especially in the Philippines, gaming is extremely important. I believe that basically gaming is always at the start of anything that is going to be very popular. Today, the gaming industry is about the power of the money and the flow of the money while we're having fun at placing our bets at the different facilities. We will make the onboarding process to play our games and the Quanta lottery very, very easy. It is a big problem when you go into the blockchain industry. And the one advice that I can give all of you, when you want to be active in this industry, be practical. Be very, very practical about what you're going to be offering. And I believe that the blockchain will enforce this much better, much louder, and much more stringent than any other technology ever can. And I believe that's one of the real reasons why I like to be in this industry.